In this video, we are going to discuss the basic of accounting in a detailed description. Basis of accounting is to ascertain the profit earned or loss caused to business entity at the end of accounting period. We have two bases, cash basis accounting and accrual basis accounting. Under cash basis accounting, financial transactions are recorded only when cash is received or cash is paid. Credit transactions are not recorded in this system. Only cash receipt or cash expense payments are made. This method is simple to understand and followed. No adjustment for outstanding and prepaid expenses is required. But it has some disadvantage also. The system is not recognized by the Indian Companies Act 2013. There is no difference between capital and revenue items, so the profit or loss are not comparable over a period of time. Now we have to discuss accrual basis of accounting. The accrual basis of accounting is considered as most scientific method. Under this method, income is recognized when sales is made or services is rendered rather than when cash is received. Credit sale is treated as a part of total sales of the accounting period irrespective of the cash is received. In simple language, cash basis accounting, we record only cash transaction. In accrual basis accounting, we record both cash basis as well as credit basis transaction. Accrual basis accounting is recognized by the Companies Act 2013, but cash basis accounting is not recognized by the Companies Act 2013.